introduce my family. My name is Yuli Anandoro. This is my father. His name is Ronnie. This is my mother. Her name is Rainy. My brother, her name is Tony. This is my sister Rina. They are my family. I am married. My husband is Edward Lolo. We have two children. My children name are Perjuangan and Johnson. This is my godfather. His name is Hukimao. This is my grandmother. Her name is Lena. This is my uncle. His name is Yanu. This is my auntie Maria. This is my cousin. His name is Ucho. They are from my family. Thank you for listening to me introduce my family. Thank you.